Here I've got HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So first of all, just open the optimizer, and then the first step is to click on this optimize icon in the middle of the screen. Just click, give your device a couple of seconds, tap on done then, and that's it. The first optimization has been done. Then you can open cleanup, and here you can free up some space. And just give your device a while, and now you can see, for example, that this amount of junk files can be deleted. So just tap on cleanup, wait a couple of seconds, and it has been done, and it will definitely speed up your phone. And then you can perform a virus scan, and if any virus is detected and then removed, it will also speed up your phone, your HUAWEI. And let's go back. The last step that you can perform is to tap on the square icon and tap on bin icon to remove all apps that are currently active. And as you can see, your device is now in optimal condition. So this is it. This is how you can optimize your phone, how you can speed it up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.